We can't keep playing this silly game, driving my mind insane again and again. I see you, Lucifer, destroying the best of her, dressed in one of your many disguises, trying to elevate evil to its highest. I'm a child of God, so with you I'm biased. I saw when you came and blinded that guy, tried to suck his soul right through his eye. Now that one fire is extinguished, here comes more turbulence and anguish. Sanctified winds blowing all kinds of mercy, praying that the day before was the worst to see. We hated every day in the wilderness. Every different turn was another pain, walking and tracking through the devil's brain. See how it feels to be labeled insane? Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Your reign, your reign, your reign, your reign. Your reign is over. Ooh. Your reign, your reign, your reign. Your reign is over. Your reign, your reign, your reign. Your reign is over. I see you, Lucifer, trying to destroy the best of her. We can't keep playing this silly game, driving my mind insane again, again and again. I see you,